Quick look at Algo. So Algo here still looking good. It's still potentially put the bottom in off of this wick holding the uptrend. I don't know how that got moved. But ultimately you can see on the chart low to the high. It broke the previous uptrend, came down, hit the 786. So this is our new trend line to watch. So as long as you're above 11.5 here, you're currently at 13.3. You are up 7.5%, almost 8% on the week here. And you can clearly see the candles are getting stuck. The support back here has now turned resistance at that 618 at 14.49 here. So 14.5 pennies is your big price to beat. It looks like you're coming back down to the 786 after getting rejected here. So I would expect Algo to drop back down 14% here and re-hit the trend line and the 786 support area. But as long as you're above that, we should get a bounce out of here at some point. Now, what may occur here is, as you can see on the chart, hasn't formed quite yet, but potentially double, maybe a triple bottom here, and then we'll go back up. So 11.5 up to 14.5 are your prices to watch for now. And then ultimately, if you can get back over that 618 here, that should send you right back up to the macro 236 pretty much at 20 pennies. We'll just go from where you are today. If it ends up holding and moving back up, you can see that's about a 50% move to get to that 20-cent range. And then of course if it comes back down to the 786 here, then you'll get a nice decent bounce potentially off of that double triple bottom of about 70%. But ultimately the bottom is technically not in until you get back over 20, but it looks like a bottom was put in here, and that will be confirmed over that 236 here. And then of course we're not bullish on Algo until we get over 33 here, over the macro 382, and then we could focus our attention on the targets we're about to get into here. So as you guys know, I am bullish. I like Algo. I like the chart here. This thing has a lot of room to run in my opinion, and some decent return on investments here. So we're going to start with the 0.5 here. So if this thing only does a 0.5 retracement up to about 50 cents, that's going to give you a 3.5, almost a 4x on your investment here. So not bad for an almost guaranteed ROI here. And then we have 50, and then we have 75 cents. So 75 cents, a 618 retracement. You can see it's almost a 460% move. So about a 5.5x on your investment to 75 cents. So two really good profit taking targets in my opinion. Good solid numbers there. And then the next one here, where we get into the market caps at 11 billion to the 786 retracement up to $1.34, $1.35. That's where you're going to get that solid 10x on your investment on Algo here. And then if it blows through that and the previous high on the chart here, then you're going to go up to a $59 billion market cap to the 1272. This would be your moon bag. Let it ride all the way up here to a little over $7, $7.28 to be exact. And that's where you're going to get a decent 54, 55x out of Algo. Excuse me, my voice went out. So with that being said, what are your thoughts on Algo? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.